Okay, now for the intro. Hi guys, it's Billy. I'm back with another video. It's on this look that I did right here. It's a very colorful look. It's something that, you know, not everyone may want to do. But you know what? If you're scared of color, girl, dive right in. Just do it. It's makeup. You can wipe it right off. But yeah, I really like the way this look turned out, and I hope you guys do too. If you guys want to see how I got this, just keep watching. It's gonna be a fun time. Grab a snack, just a minute, and let's get to the video. Whew. How do I look? Great? So, since we're doing like a colorful look today, I am not going to do the foundation first. I'm going to do the eyes first. What I'm going to do first is take some of my foundation, since I don't have a concealer because your girl's broke. I'm going to put this just on my eyelids. And then I'm just going to go in and just buff it out. And then I'm just going to set that down with some powder. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this Take Me to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette. It's a very colorful palette, if you can see. And I'm just going to go in with this pink shade, this really bright pink shade right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Get it on a Morphe M573 brush. It's just like a fluffy brush. I'm going to pick up this ColourPop Paint Pot little thing. It's just like a cream gel color, and it's in the shade Crybaby. Okay, so I'm going to take this shade on just like a little tiny brush. It's a Morphe M123 brush. And I'm just going to carve out that crease, kind of make a cut crease with it. And then I'm going to go in with this NYX pigment. It's in the shade 9. It's just literally like a violet pastel purple. I'm going to take this smaller, denser brush, and I'm going to go in with that pink shade and just kind of make that a little bit deeper. Then I'm going to go back in with that small brush that I left on it and just carve that out again. And then I'm going to take this Heavy Metal Urban Decay liquid eyeliner, like glitter eyeliner, in the shade AC/DC. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to put that where the pink and then the purple starts. So I'm just going to put that literally right in the crease. And then I'm going to go in with this NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, liquid eyeliner in the shade Vivid Petal. And I'm just going to do a winged eyeliner with this. So I kind of start by kind of making that initial like shape. So I just kind of flick it. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in with mascara, and I'm just using the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. And so how I put my lashes on, I kind of start by putting the band like right in the middle of my eyelid. Kind of like that, and then I align the two sides. But everyone kind of does their eyelashes differently, so... Oh my god. Please excuse me. And then again, just to kind of blend the band and then the eyeliner together, I go in with that eyeliner and I just kind of put that right on the band. Now I'm going to go in with that small dense brush and pick up that pink shade in that palette and put that on my lower lash line. Just kind of buff that out. Now I'm going to go in with that mascara and put that on my bottom eyelashes. I always put mascara on my bottom eyelashes. I really think it just brings the look all together. A lot of people don't. It's definitely up to you. You don't have to do this part. You can skip this part. It don't matter. Okay, so now we have the eyes done. And now I am just going to do my face makeup. My foundation is just this Hourglass stick foundation. It's literally the only foundation that I have right now. I do like this foundation, but I think sometimes it breaks me out. So I just have to get a new foundation. The shade is Alabaster. It's literally pretty much the lightest shade, I think, because your girl's pale. And I just kind of literally, by the way, I already primed my face and did all that jazz. And then I go in with one of these brushes. I literally don't know the name of them. My friend just gave them to me and I love them and I use them all the time. But I'm pretty sure you can get them on Amazon somewhere. But I just kind of buff that out. So I usually like using a beauty blender, but I feel like with stick foundation it's just easier to go in with a brush. Maybe that's just me, but that's just how I like to work with stick foundations. If I'm doing like a liquid foundation that I pump out on my hand, then I feel like I'll go in with a beauty blender and it's easier for me to use that way. And make sure to get the neck as well because you just gotta make that stuff blend real good. Now, I don't know what's going on with my chin right here. Just please ignore that. I don't know. It's like a really bad dry patch. I think it's eczema, but just pretend it's not there. That's what I have to do all the time. Just pretend it's not there. I do really like this foundation because I feel like you don't really need to set it that much, but I do set it anyway, just like underneath the eyes in places that like really need it. Okay, and now for highlighter, my favorite part. Yee! Okay, I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M510 brush, and I just wet it down with whatever you have, MAC Fix Plus, Morphe setting spray, just whatever. Mine's literally from Walmart. It's Revitalizing Rose Mist. Yeah, cool. I'm gonna take the Carly Bible palette, and I'm gonna go in with this white shade, which obviously you can tell that I love because I'm so pale. This white shade and this pink shade right here. Just gonna dabble in that a little bit. And I'm just going to put this on the apple, like literally. You can put a little bit on the apples of your cheeks, but I like to just put a little tiny bit on the apples of your cheeks because sometimes it gets a little too intense. But I literally just put it on the high points of my cheeks. And then I kind of curve around the eye and go up to the eyebrow. Then I like to go and put it on literally like right here, the eyebrow, underneath the brow bone. Do it here, the cupid's bow, a little bit at the chin, right there. I usually contour in the summer when I'm a little bit more tan, but since it's literally winter, well, kind of springish now, but I bronze more just because I'm so pale. So I just take this random brush, whatever, NYC Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder, the shade Sunny. Literally, this is like an OG, like everyone used to use this. And I usually use the butter bronzer, but I can't find that, so we're just going with this. Just do a little bit up at the forehead. Blush. So I'm going in with the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. Literally everyone's favorite. Okay, so I'm just going to take this on this little blush brush and just put that on the apples of my cheek and then go outwards with it towards the ear. And I love this because it literally blends so nicely with the highlight because it has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it looks so good. And then I also, not a lot of people do this, but I put a little bit on my nose since I am so pale. I just feel like it gives me a little warmness to my face, a little more color to my face. So I literally just put a little bit right here on my nose. Not that much, just a little bit. And now, eyebrows. So I'm just going to take an angled brush and I'm going to take this ColourPop brow gel in the shade Honey Blonde. And at first I kind of start by outlining them. Then, the final step, lips. So I'm just gonna go in with this Bare Minerals and Famous matte lipstick. It's almost out, so we'll see how this goes. And just like that, we are done. Okay guys, so this is the final product. I hope you guys really like the video. I'm going to try and post every week. I'm going to try and do some that like aren't just makeup. Try and do some maybe like fashion ones, some that are just, you know, whatever. If you like this, like, subscribe, comment, do all that fun stuff. And, you know, keep coming back, keep watching, because we have a good time here on this channel. It's fun, right? Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.